Before you start writing code, you'll save yourself a lot of time if you try to understand the overall design up front. You want a solid grasp of the following things. First, you want to know your app pages and your components. To understand how everything ties together can help you structure your code better and help you come up with more relevant naming conventions inside your code. Next, you want to look at your common design conventions. Every app and good design should have these. They should cover things like spacing, colors, font sizes, button styles, inputs, and things like that. And finally, you want to take a look at complex or dynamic behavior, right? These are things like animations, visual effects, live editors, things with any sort of unconventional UX, right? These things are difficult to understand from a static design, and you just can't grasp a lot of the nuances that a designer or product manager might have intended. It's helpful to try to understand these things ahead of time so you can judge their complexity, prioritize, and scope correctly. If you see a complex animation, reach out to your product or project manager and say, hey, is it okay if I implement this last? If you can prioritize and reduce scope before you even start writing code, you're already halfway there.